The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
In a heartwarming gesture, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma has empowered a talented group of visually impaired musicians, the Eastern Brook Band, by gifting them musical instruments. This move is part of the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Programme, a flagship initiative promoting local talent and inclusivity in the arts. Despite their visual impairment, the four-member band has captivated audiences with their soulful performances. The Chief Minister, impressed by their talent and dedication, fulfilled their request for instruments at a special ceremony at his residence. This initiative demonstrates the government's commitment to empowering individuals with disabilities and promoting inclusive arts. Speaking to band members, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma encouraged them to pursue their dreams.
And I'll get the keyboard. We won't open the keyboard. We just keep it here in front. Then you can later on you can just maybe plastic will remove. So I'm looking forward to your jamming session with you right now.
Thank you.
I'm the lead guitarist of Eastern Brook, so my name is Nankyo Arkatrina.
And then next.
I am one of I am the lead vocalist of the band.
Great.
And I am Waiki Smaitang, and I am the drummer of this band.
It all started in 2022, like when we first came to notice, like because we wanted to form a band since 2019 and all while we were in school, but we have some hard time and there are some tough challenges going on the way. And then after that, in 2022, when this MGMP started to
The Meghalaya Grassroots Music Programme.
When MGMP started to form, and then we saw the door was opening for us also to make a name for ourselves. And then there we kicked off with our band. And then at first it was a tough challenge for us with the equipment and the instruments. But then we have few of our friends who said, "Oh, we will help you with that." And then we started, and then we said, "Okay, let's just then form a band," because that is our passion since we were in school. So we kick off with that, and then we make a name for ourselves, and then we got to break the barrier.
Absolutely. And then
it is an honor to be with you in front. I feel so, like I'm so proud of myself.
We look up to you, in fact. You know, it's amazing that in spite of so many challenges that you have, that you still manage to follow your dreams and your passion, I should say. And whatever we're doing today is just a small way to show our support for the passion that you have. In fact, I want to just also tell all of you that you will be, and you are already in fact, a great source of inspiration for many of the youngsters of our state, that, and in fact the country, that when you believe in something and when you're passionate about something, no matter what challenges there are, if you keep working at it, you will achieve. and you will definitely achieve the goals that you have. So you're a great inspiration, and I really want to congratulate you for what you have done. And what are your future plans? Are you planning to come out with some kind of an album or something?
Yes, actually we are planning the things that we are facing difficult, like regarding financial and all. So that's the reason, like
you may be in the right place.
Studio is very hard for us. Like it costs around 20,000 per song.
Right.
So it's difficult for us.
So you'll have to convince me that the song is good for recording, and then we'll work with you for the recording.
So for now, like, try to compose the song, try to practice properly.
You do that.
After that, like let's see.
Yeah,
how to manage regarding
First, you
financial.
have to. The music should be also with the. Should be it will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to plan nicely. So we have to be creative also the music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us like this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing and then we'll move ahead.
Absolutely.